Maintenance and repair operations are a fundamental part of any process in order to guarantee the quality and availability of services. The durable project will work with additive manufacturing, as well VR and ER technologies, in order to transfer the good practices of M and R in oil and gas to renewable energy in order to align it with sustainability.
Additive manufacturing offers near net safe manufacturing with minimum waste of material. It also allows personalization, reduced lead time, highly complex design, and reparation of worn or broken parts. It has been applied in the aerospace sector for reparation of blades from turbines, reducing the lead time in 2 weeks comparing with the casting fabrication. These advantages might reduce stoppages in the renewable energy sector.
Automated composite repair technology is a technology based on mobile robot and on water jet blind machining. So the main benefit of this technology is to be able to repair better than manual process and to be better also than conventional machining solutions. So this solution is already qualified and used for aeronautical sector. So for instance, Airbus A350 has already used this technology to repair Airbus fuselage, and the application to the renewable energy sector, to wind turbine sector. Our main objective is to be able to demonstrate that this technology used in aeronautic sector can be used in the wind turbine sector to repair wind turbine blades.
So augmented and virtual reality are two similar systems but quite different. For the first one, augmented reality, in fact, it's this kind of system allows the user to see 3D content into the real world. Normally, it's more additional contextual information. For the second one, it's quite the same thing. You have a displaying system, but you only see the 3D world. You can interact with it with some condition. In the project, we will try to transfer this kind of technology to enhance the remote control of a vehicle, and in this road, trying to reduce the cost of the maintenance.
The use of the novel technologies we are researching in durable will reduce the human interventions in time, in number of interventions, and also will increase its quality. Durable, in this way, will conclude into not only reducing the costs of the interventions, but also reducing the hazards.